Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads on this Touareg. So, without further ado, let's get on to it. You're going to need a jack. You're going to need to take those caps off. And you're going to need this tool. Then you're going to need this thing, which is going to release the caliper. And this, you're gonna need this? No, probably not. So you're not gonna need this, but you're gonna need a special tool for the bolts of the wheel, and hopefully this will be man enough to open them up. Okay, so I had a tripod here somewhere. There's my tripod. So I'll put my phone in a tripodus and we're gonna begin. Okay, so I'm just gonna position it there and then we're gonna pick up the action when I take the wheel off. So first of all, put the jack under the car. Step 1. Lift it a little bit. Take the caps off. Let's do it quickly. Let's see how quickly we can change the brake pads. I haven't got the brake pads with me, but I'll show you how to take them off. Okay. Release. Release, release. So loosen the bolts up, lift the car so the wheel is in the air, as so. Okay. Special tool, okay. Put them to one side. Take the wheel, use it as a seat. Then you need to open this. There's like a rubbery bit here. Open, it has a cap, and there's another one here at the bottom. Open it. It's like a cap. Then you use 7mm Allen key, put it in there, and yes, I will need a little bit of that to help me out. Shouldn't be tight. Okay, so released the top one. Now put in the bottom one. Careful not to snap this cable, because that's the indicator which shows when your brake pads are worn. And this one is released. So now we have to do is just unscrew those. And these are the fingers that hold your brake pad in place. So you need to do is release those. Unscrew. You can even take them out. That's how they look like. Put them there and take the bottom one out as well. This is in the way. I can't move it. Oh, it's coming out. It's a bit rusty, this brake disc. Take the bottom one out. Yes. Now you take let's take this one and that one. Screwdrivers. Huh? Now what you do is get in there. Allez hop. You need to release those. And to release those from memory, you have to get a small screwdriver. Do we have one? I've had it somewhere. Will this do? I don't know, I'll try. Let's try. Oh, look. Look, it works. Okay. So, screwdriver. And there we are. It's like a little hook there that you have to press from there, and then it just releases. Okay, so let's carry on with the taking out. The brake pads. And the caliper is off. Now you can change the brake pads. So one is out and the other one is out. Now what you need to do is, let's imagine that these brake pads are brand new. As soon as I take them out, we're gonna start putting them in. Okay, where's that cable? It's there. You need to release it from there. Boop. And then it should just fall out. I just need another hand. I'll put this here. There. So you unplugged it. Boom. Took it out. That's it. Done. So what you do next? Look at the brake lights. So when you're changing, you know what you need to change. I'm gonna be taking all this rust off because the brake pad can't take it off. So I'll be grinding it off. But you can imagine, now that you've got your brand new brake pads, you can start putting them in. Okay, so what you need to do now is compress the cylinder, and this cylinder is compressed. I'm gonna put the tripod on my leg, see how that works. It's working so far. So it is compressed like so. So you just take a normal clamp, you put it on the cylinder, and you compress to the right amount of your, you know, if you're gonna have like brand new brake pads, so they're gonna be a bit thicker, so you want to compress a little bit more. But since we're not changing the brake pads, we're just putting the old ones. That's it. So what you need to do now is, so compress the cylinder, put the brake pad back in, connect it. Don't forget to connect it, because otherwise it'll throw up an error saying you need to change the brake pads. Put this one here. so connected, see, all connected, boom boom boom, going through the hole. Put it back on and put these back in. See, I'm better off with these. Just catch them a little bit so you know they're in the correct hole. Put this one in here so it doesn't catch anything. Now take the bottom one. And let's put the bottom one into the hole. Again, what you need to do is catch it first. Don't screw it. When you know it's caught, I'm going the wrong way. When you know it's caught, then you can tighten both of them. Okay, so it looks okay. So this one is caught and the other one is caught. So what you need to do now is just tighten them. Until you can't with your fingers. And I'm sure there's like a torque that they need to be tightened to, but I don't know the torque. I've always tightened it with my hand. So you know, you don't over tighten, you don't go crazy on it, just tighten it, because there is not they're literally just guides for this to slide, so they're not holding anything as such, they're just guides, so they need to be tight but they don't need to be super tight. Okay, that's how much of tightness I allow, that's it. And same for the bottom one, not more. Okay, and let's tighten it, maybe a little bit more on the bottom. Like so, and let's put it like this. That's it. That's all the tightening you need. Then don't forget these, so the dirt won't get in. And where's the other one? I probably kicked it. There it is. Kicked it under the car. And that's how easy it is to change the brake pads, if I had brake pads. I didn't need to unscrew this, so that can be screwed back in. With a little bit of okay, that's fine. Again, it doesn't hold anything, it's not on the pressure, it just holds this in place. That's it. Now what you need to do is put the wheel on, and that will be done. Oh, no, not yet. Don't forget. Let's put this in. No special tools needed, it's just under pressure. Just push it in with the screwdriver, and that's it, with your fingers. It's just to stop the brake pads squealing. That's it. Put this round thing on. Machine. is my special. Oh, that's my special. And he's going to have. That was pretty quick, pretty decent. Cups, lower it down, be proud. If you like what you see, subscribe. I'll make some more videos. That's how easy it was. Bye bye.